In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and organize your Google Sites efficiently. Whether you're creating a website for personal use, a business, or perhaps a school project, this guide will walk you through the basics needed to get your site up and running smoothly. First, let's kick things off by heading over to Google Sites. If you're not familiar with how to do that, simply open your preferred web browser and type in Google Sites in the search bar. It should be one of the top results. Click on it to get started. Once you're on the Google Sites homepage, you'll have the option to create a new site or open an existing one that you've already been working on. Now it's time to organize your site effectively. A well-structured site typically comprises at least 3 fundamental pages. These pages are commonly known as the Home, About, and Contact Us pages. Let's start by creating these pages. Click on the Pages tab on the right-hand side and then select Add Page. Give your page the appropriate name. So for the first, just name it Home. Repeat the same steps to add the About page and then the Contact Us page. This setup will give your visitors a clear and straightforward navigation path across your site. One of the neat features of Google Sites is its ability to let you arrange these pages just the way you like them. For example, you might want to make a certain page the home page. To do this, just find the page under the Pages menu, click on the 3 vertical dots next to it, and select Make Homepage. Similarly, you might find it useful to duplicate a page for consistency in design or content. This can be done by selecting Duplicate from the same drop-down menu. Furthermore, organizing your content into sub-pages can greatly enhance the user experience, especially if you have sections that delve into more specifics related to a main topic. To add a sub-page, simply hover over the page you want to have sub-pages under, click on the options, and select Add Sub-Page. This keeps your main pages clutter-free and increases the accessibility of information for your visitors. And if you have a page that you're not quite ready for people to see or it's not necessary for the main navigation, you can choose Hide from Navigation. This ensures that the page is still accessible through direct links, but isn't visible in the menu bar on your site. With these steps, you've laid down the basic framework for your Google site. Remember, these foundational pages and features are pivotal in enhancing visitor engagement and ensuring a pleasant browsing experience. Once these basic structures are in place, you can experiment with more advanced features and customization options that Google Sites offers. Your website is a reflection of you or your brand, so take the time to perfect it. Happy creating!